Hello everyone, it's your host of Bearded One Tech, the Beard himself. Today, I will be showing you all how to perform a RAM upgrade on your Lenovo Yoga 730 15-inch laptop. Here are the tools you will need to get this completed. The handy T5 Torx bit. You could get a screwdriver or one of these that have a bit. You will also need a plastic opening tool, just like this one. You could also opt for using something like this. Alright. So as you can see, the bottom of the laptop has 10 screws. 4 down here, 3 here, and another 3 up there. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all these. Alright, so what you want to do now is on the top here, find a way to wedge something in right about here, as you could see. Then use one of these to help you just work it right along the edge there. And you will hear some clips unclipping. Be very careful around the edge here. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down here so I could get a better view of this. Here we are. So you just continue along the edge here until all those clips have been unclipped. Let's see here, keep going here. Alright, at this point your lid should come right off. Alright, give me a minute here. I think the top still has a few clips here, but I think what you need to do is just right around here, go ahead and push down away. So once you're about here, just go ahead and force the rest of it off. You're not going to do any damage down there. You could see, came out clean. I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing around. There we go. Now that we're inside, you can finally see the tech that makes your computer run. I recommend unplugging the battery first, just so you don't short anything out. So the battery, the way you unplug this is you grab the wires, get a firm grip right there, then just gently wiggle it back and forth until you have removed it. There's little tabs on the edges too, so if you want to use your fingernails and just get on each side and just pull it out. So there we go. We're unplugged. Alright, so let's take a look in here. Here is your SSD. These are M.2 SSDs if you want to replace that. There is a screw right here, so you take that screw, take this out, you can replace that. Up here you will see the network card, aka Wi-Fi card, of course. I do recommend you replace this. I have seen online a lot of complaints about this specific chip being pretty weak, or it fails, or just delivering bad performance altogether. So I recommend if you're going to be in here, go ahead and switch that out. I'm not going to do it for the purpose of this video. The only thing I'm going to do is the RAM. So under this metal cover is a RAM slot. So now we're going to go ahead and get in there. So you can use a plastic tool to get it open, but I might just grab the very corner of it with my nail. You don't need much force here, because this thing is going to come up right away, as you can see there. Just make sure it comes out good. Alright, that's off. And here we are. Not sure what this is. I think it's just a label. Let's just go ahead and lay it down here. Anyway, you should be replacing it with SODIMM RAM. So you're going to need DDR4. Sorry, there it is. DDR4 running at 2400 megahertz or 2.4 gigahertz. It's the same thing, if you didn't know. This specific one is compatible with this. As you can see, here's the specs, just in case you want to pick it up. I'll link it below. I think I got it for about $35. So nothing crazy there as far as pricing. So let me get this out and I'll show you how to install it. Give me a minute. Alright, you guys, so I have the RAM here. Make sure you don't touch these connection points. I think I just did on the side there. Oops, don't do that. So there it is. You're just gonna go ahead and align it here. Make sure it goes all the way in. There it is. And then you're gonna hear it click once you go down. So you push it in as far as it'll go. Then you push down and it'll click in. Now let's go ahead and put our metal cover on there. You should hear a good click there. There it is. So now you go ahead and grab your lid. Make sure all those wonderful clips are in place. Alright. It's a very nice sound there. Alright. So all you need to do now is put the screws back in and you're done. Alrighty. So I wanted to check my work. So I want to go ahead and check out what it says and see if our RAM has been detected by this machine. So we'll go to properties, and here we go, you guys. We are at 15.8 usable memory, so pretty much 16 if you round up. Awesome. So I just want to thank you so much for watching, and if this content helped you, Please don't hesitate to leave a like and help the channel grow. Hope you have a nice day. See you around.